Please subscribe our channel. Press the bell icon to get notification for more informative videos.
How is HIV spread? The person-to-person spread of HIV is called HIV transmission. HIV is transmitted only in certain body fluids from a person who has HIV. Blood, semen, pre-seminal fluids, rectal fluids, vaginal fluids, breast milk. HIV transmission is only possible if these fluids come in contact with a mucous membrane or damaged tissue or are directly injected into the bloodstream, from a needle or syringe. Mucous membranes are found inside the rectum, the vagina, the opening of the penis, and the mouth. In the United States, HIV is spread mainly by having anal or vaginal sex with someone who has HIV without using a condom or taking medicines to prevent or treat HIV. Sharing injection drug equipment, works, such as needles, with someone who has HIV.
How can I reduce my risk of getting HIV?
Anyone can get HIV, but you can take steps to protect yourself from HIV infection. Get tested and know your partner's HIV status. Talk to your partner about HIV testing and get tested before you have sex. Use this testing locator from the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, CDC, to find an HIV testing location near you. Have less risky sex. HIV is mainly spread by having anal or vaginal sex without a condom or without taking medicines to prevent or treat HIV. Use condoms. Use a condom correctly every time you have sex. Read this fact sheet from CDC on how to use condoms correctly. Limit your number of sexual partners. The more partners you have, the more likely you are to have a partner with HIV whose HIV is not well controlled or to have a partner with a sexually transmitted disease, STD. Both of these factors can increase the risk of HIV transmission. If you have more than one sexual partner, get tested for HIV regularly. Get tested and treated for STDs. Insist that your partners get tested and treated too. Having an STD can increase your risk of becoming infected with HIV or spreading it to others. Your health is important than anything else. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.